This video is a step-by-step guide for installing your French cleat to hang your floating table from Krøvel Furniture. Included with your order will be a French cleat to hang on the wall and the necessary hardware. You will receive 2 silver 1.5-inch Phillips screws, 2 metal drywall anchors, 1 T25 star bit, 2 gold wood screws 2.5 inches each. If your table has side screw holes, you will also receive 2 short wood screws and 3 wood plugs that match the wood of your table. The tools you will need will be a screw gun or an electric drill, a Phillips bit, a stud finder, a 3/8-inch drill bit if you have plaster walls, a bubble level, a number 6 countersink drill bit, a hammer, and a sharp pencil. First, untape the wall cleat from your hanging table and choose its mounting location. The top of your table will be 4.5 inches above the bottom of the wall cleat. Next, level the cleat in the desired location and draw a light pencil line on the wall to outline the bottom and the sides of the cleat. Now mark the locations of the pre-drilled holes with a pencil or use the small silver screws and a quick strike with your hammer. Using the metal anchors provided at the points marked by the pre-drilled holes, simply push the anchor points into the drywall. Drill them into the drywall with your screw gun until flush. Next, using the pencil lines as a guide, use your stud finder to determine where the studs may lay along the length of the cleat. Mark the center location with a thin pencil mark just below the cleat line. If you do not find studs, create at least one more drywall anchor connection. Using a countersink bit, drill the cleat at the location of each stud center, just as the pre-drilled holes were done, not too deep. Finally, use the provided silver screws to fasten the cleat to the wall into the drywall anchors. The cleat should now be tight to the wall, ready for stud connection. Once the stud locations have been pre-drilled, use the provided 2.5 gold screws to lock the cleat into the studs. When screwing into the studs, be sure to hit the middle of the stud as best you can. A screw driven into the side of the stud may feel secure, but is not strong. If the position of your wall cleat happens to land just past a wall stud, there is a trick that you can try. You can use your countersink bit and angle it slightly so that you can drive a screw at an angle. You may want to stop by the hardware store and get a slightly longer screw. 3.5 inches should be fine. Hang your table on the cleat. Push down into the back for a good connection. If your table was shipped with pre-drilled holes in the side, use the shorter 2-inch gold screws provided to lock your table onto the cleat. First, have a friend push down on the back of the table to firmly connect with the wall cleat. Simultaneously, gently lift up the front of the table and bring to level, or even slightly past level, as the table may settle back down when hung. If your table is not level due to an irregular wall, you can shim the bottom edge slightly. When the table is positioned firmly onto the cleat, drill the side screws deep into place. An extension bit may make this easier. Once set, you may conceal the hole with provided wood plugs. Gently tap into place with a small hammer.